Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. So, we're about to make some brownies, okay? And I'm sure most of you have already made brownies, you know what to do and how to do. So I'm really not gonna go through all of that part because it's very easy. The instructions are on the back of the box, but I don't go directly off the instructions because a lot of times on cakes and brownies and stuff it says to make sure that you stick a toothpick in and it needs to come out bone clean, but that's not true. If it comes out bone clean, 9 out of 10 you're gonna have a dry cake, you're gonna have a dry brownie. And that's because once you take it out the oven and you've let it cook that long, with the pan being so hot, it's still cooking once it's out the oven. So never let something get, the toothpick get just bone clean because you're gonna have a dry cake. Just let it be a little bit gooey, and then let it cool down, and I promise you it'll be cooked. And do not, I repeat, please do not overmix your brownies. I know these are box brownies, but if you make homemade desserts, please don't overmix it because I promise it makes a huge difference. Okay, now we're ready for the oven, and it is set to 350 degrees. Most boxes do say bake maybe like 25 to 35 minutes or 38 minutes. Like I said earlier, I do not go by that. I leave mine in until they're a little gooey, and then I'll take it out. Alright, so we're all done, and it's time to cut. And y'all, I'm just gonna use my pizza cutter. I don't know where my butter knife is. So listen. Why did I cut it like this? I don't know. And there you have it, a chocolatey, gooey brownie. And that is a wrap, you all. Oh yeah, I did take a little bite for you all, and it was really good. I know y'all probably wish I could have some. But that is a wrap for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you all next time.